Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 6 and we will present about the mechanical and electrical for the residential house that we have been choose. Okay, before we start, we should know that buildings which are constructed should be convenient for such persons living or working there. So, it must have all elements that offer, including advanced lighting, suitable area temperature, humidity and air quality, efficient power and communication functionality, and a trustworthy system for the protection of life and property. Through rapid technologies in mechanical and electrical system, all of these are become a reality. A single-story house is being chosen in this project, and the size of the house is 14.10 times 9.8 meter and has a height of 4 meter. It consists of one living room, one master bedroom, two bedroom, two toilet and kitchen. The objective for this project are to calculate the minimum requirement for mechanical ventilation system and air conditioning system, then analyze the suitable product that can address the minimum requirement. Next, to evaluate the best specification of product in the market for mechanical ventilation, air conditioning system and electrical distribution system for the single-story house selected in this project. And last, to determine the suitable location for mechanical ventilation device, including air conditioning system and electrical distribution system in the layout house plan.
Hi, my name is Intan. So I will be presenting the mechanical ventilation part. So what is ventilation? Ventilation is one of the process of transforming the air in any room in order to offer high indoor quality. So by using mechanical ventilation with heat recovery unit, EEC, it can minimize energy consumption as it helps to provide a minimal amount of outdoor air. So in this project, we need to provide and suggest one mechanical ventilation system in two areas, which is in the kitchen and the bathroom. So why we need to provide a proper mechanical ventilation system in kitchen? Because there are cases which reported where people who are exposed with cooking fumes can lead to cancer risk due to inadequate ventilated environment. And for the bathroom, why we need to provide an effective ventilation system, because it can enhance the indoor air quality so that we can remove any unwanted odors and moisture. So what we need to do first is we have to calculate the volume flow rate for our kitchen and bathroom areas, because we want to suggest one ventilation system which can adhere to the minimum requirement needed by each area. So the given information for this project is the air change rate. For the kitchen is 5 air change per hour, and for the bathroom is 6 air change per hour. And the given information for our selected house plan is the dimension of the kitchen and the bathroom, which is 2.8 times 4.5 and times 4 meter for the kitchen, and for the bathroom is 1.8 times 2.2 meter times 4 meter. So the volume flow rate can be obtained by multiplying the air change rate times the building's dimensions or the volume of the areas, and then we got the volume flow rate for the kitchen is 252 meter cube per hour, and for the bathroom is 95.04 meter cube per hour. So what we have here is the suggested product of the mechanical ventilation system for kitchen and bathroom. So what we choose for this system is a typical exhaust system. So what we have for the kitchen is SNS 350, which is come from brand Airregard, and the price is also reasonable, only 518 ringgit, and the power consumption only 86 watt. And it has motor speed 1275 rpm, and it is also lightweight, only 4.5 kg. And most importantly, the flow rate is 591.5 meter cube per hour, which is more than the volume rate required for the kitchen from what we calculated earlier. And it's on the noise level only 45 decibel, and the correction parameter 150 meter. And lastly, for the bathroom, what we choose is the same typical exhaust system, comes from the same brand, which is the Airregard, which name is the AC180, and the price is much economical, which is 148 ringgit only, and the power consumption is much lesser than for the kitchen, that is only 19 watt, and the motor speed is more than for the kitchen, is 1900 rpm. And it is also lightweight, only 1.2 kg, and the most importantly, the inflow rate is also more than the requirement, that is 304.2 meter cube per hour, and the noise level much lesser, which is 19 decibel, and also have connection diameter 150 mm.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azmi Marin from Group 6. So I will be presenting about air conditioning system. So air conditioning is the act of removing heat and controlling the humidity of air in a closed space to create a more pleasant indoor environment. It can be accomplished using powered air conditioners or a variety of other methods such as passive cooling and ventilative cooling. A family of heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems and processes includes air conditioning. It's called HVAC. How does it function? Air conditioners use vapor compression refrigeration and range in size from small units for automobiles or single rooms to massive systems that can cool entire buildings. So, for our project, we use mechanical ventilation. Almost every family in today's world use mechanical ventilation for air conditioning. It is a split system that consists of two separate units, a condensing unit that is either water or air cooled and an air handling unit. So this is our house plan, and we use air conditioner in 3 places, which is master bedroom, bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. So this is the size and consideration for our air conditioning. So this is the largest bedroom, which is master bedroom. The size is 15.5 meters square. So after calculation, the total BTU is 1.0 horsepower. For bedroom 2, the size of the bedroom is 14.7 meters square. And after calculation, the total BTU is 1.0 horsepower. And lastly, bedroom 3, which is 14.4 meters square, and after calculation we get 1.0 horsepower. So we use all rooms use the same aircon. So we use R32 inverter air conditioner. Why we use this product? Because inverter air conditioner is more energy efficient and it can change based on the temperature of the room. It has 9200 BTU, 38 dB max indoor noise level, auto clean and app control. It also is budget choice for inverter and has 4-star energy efficiency rating. So it will use less energy than non-inverter air conditioner.
Electric system is about distribution for electric and wiring for each part in the house, such as the location for the socket and switch. Other than that, the component and the system that help to distribute the electric. The first part in the house is kitchen and dining room. In this place, the socket and switch is located that would easy to reach when needed, but should install far away from sink and other part that will expose fire. The mechanical fan is installed on the upper cabinet to release the heat when the cooking activities execute. Next is bathroom and stair. The location for installation switch and socket also need to avoid the water moisture surface. Therefore, the switch is outside the bathroom. The mechanical fan will also install outside wiring with the switch lamp. When the lamp is on or off, the exhaust fan also do the same thing. For the stair, the best location for lamp switch is on the entrance of the stair. The function lamp on the stair is to enlight the stair that usually dark. Switch location in the bedroom usually in the entrance of the room. This is because it will easy to turn on and off the switch. The location for aircon cannot be faced directly to the bed, therefore it will install up to the bed. The last part in the house is living room. This place is common area that person in the house do a lot of activities together because of the area is quite big from other place. Therefore, this place is required more lighting and air. The switch for the lamp is installed entrance to facilitate the mobility for the household and guests. These are electrical symbols in the drawing. They have switch, lamp, socket, wiring, mechanical ventilation fan, aircon and fan.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Nurshida binti Moh Yusuf and I'll present the Miniature Circuit Breakers MCB. There are several types of MCB, but the three key versions are Type B, Type C, and Type D. For Type B, it is designed to thrive if the current flowing through hits between 3 and 5 times the recommended maximum or rated load. This is the most sensitive type of MCB, designed for domestic applications and low voltage commercial settings. Type C circuit breakers are used for more powerful electrical devices, where any surge are likely to be higher, typically commercial and industrial environment. The D-types MCB are the least sensitive type, only activating when current surge to between 10 and 20 times the recommended maximum. D-rated MCB are built for heavy-duty commercial and industrial devices where very strong current surge occasionally occur. The best miniature circuit breakers are Type B, ABB MCB. It has complete range of MCB to cover most applications. It has a space and time-saving design. It is suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial applications.